comes right on time. Light laid gently on the line. Breath arise without a sound, a steady grace already found. My vision settles clear and still as my heart aligns with what you will. The world stands rich before my eyes, and gratitude begins to rise. Now I give thanks for what you've given, every good and present blessing. The sky shines blue, the sun burns warm, my life in step with how you form. No restless chase, no scattered aim, I move within your ordered plan. All that is good is clearly shown when gratitude becomes my home. Days unfold the way you planned, work prepared by your own hand. Each moment held in faithful care, provision present everywhere. My hands receive, my heart is free, content within what's meant for me. I flourish where your wisdom leads, supplied in full with all I need. Now I give thanks for what you've given, every good and present blessing. The sky shines blue, the sun burns warm, my life in step with how you form. No restless chase, no scattered aim, I move within your ordered plan. All that is good is clearly shown when gratitude becomes my home. Becomes my home. You've taught my heart what's truly so. I don't need more than what you know. I don't need purchases to prove the worth you've already approved. I don't need more upon my days, no crowded calendar to raise. My life is full the way you choose, each moment ordered, nothing loose. I don't need likes to name my worth, or numbers tall to shape my joy. My life is hidden now with Christ, approved in full, complete and known. From Eden's ground this wisdom stands, life is found in open hands. Not gaining more to feel secure, but trusting you are good and sure. But trusting you are good and sure. The air is crisp, the light is clear, my heart is filled with thankful cheer. The world reflects what you have done when I rest in what you've won. Oh, glory be to you alone, for gifts received, not chased or grown. I live in peace, my vision true, because I walk in thanks to you. Grace already given.